Okay, recording the hint for the Unit 1 learning packet, and these are for the Part 1 problems. Okay, now these involve just simple basic molarity calculations, and the only equation that you're going to be using in all of Part 1 is the molarity equation. And that equation is for concentration. It says that molarity, or the concentration, is equal to the moles of the solute particles divided by the total volume, and that total volume is in liters. So when you're doing these calculations for a basic molarity calculation, if you have grams here, you need to convert those to moles. Okay? And you're going to do that by dividing by the molar mass from the periodic table. And if you have milliliters, you need to convert those to liters. And you're going to do that by dividing by 1,000, or 10 to the third. The other calculation you could do in this is solve for volume. Rearranging this equation, liters equals moles over molarity. It's a common thing to have grams, like I said before, and in this case you would convert to moles, again by dividing by the molar mass. And sometimes, because liters is a very large unit, they're going to ask you to report your answers in terms of milliliters, and you're going to do that by multiplying your answer in liters by 1,000, or 10 to the third. And the last possible thing they can have you do is solve for moles. And that's going to be by multiplying the molarity times the liter. This is a very common one to do, so I'm going to put a star over it. Shows up on the AP test a lot. And like before, if they give you the volume in milliliters, you're going to have to convert it to liters. And you're going to do that by dividing by 1,000, or 10 to the third. And oftentimes, since the mole isn't really a tangible unit for people who don't understand chemistry, when you're describing how to prepare a solution, you're going to have to convert it from moles back to grams. And we're going to do that now. Instead of dividing by the molar mass, we're going to multiply by the molar mass, and that's the number from the periodic table.